For this Kai notched mini skirt tutorial, copy the front center skirt piece along the folded edge. Also copy the front side skirt pieces. And copy the back center skirt pieces and back side skirt pieces. To prevent fraying on the front of the skirt, overlock stitch the edges along the princess seams. Stitch both sides of the front center piece and only along the front side pieces that attach to the front center piece. To prevent fraying on the back of the skirt, overlock stitch the edges along the princess seams. Stitch both sides of the back center pieces and only along the back side pieces that attach to the back center pieces. The side seams will be overlocked when attaching the front of the skirt to the back of the skirt. To attach the front skirt pieces, place the front side pieces on top of the front center piece with the right sides facing together. To make a side slit in the miniskirt, measure 6 inches up from the hemline and mark. Join the front side piece to the front center piece and stop at the marking for the side slit. To complete the front of the miniskirt, 1/4 inch fold the edge and top stitch around the side slit opening. This will give a clean finish and prevent the edge from bunching and flipping. To attach the back skirt pieces, join one back center piece to one back side piece with the right sides facing together. Do the same for the opposite side. To attach the zipper to the miniskirt, open the zipper and join the placket tape to the center back opening starting at the waistline on both sides. To complete the back of the miniskirt, close the bottom of the center back opening. Iron the skirt pieces to create smooth and even seam lines. To attach the front skirt piece to the back skirt piece, overlock stitch the side seams with the right sides facing together. To add a waistband to the miniskirt, start at one side of the zipper opening and pin the 1/4-inch bias binding strip around the waistline. Sew along the binding strip. Fold the band inside the waistline and then top stitch to finish the waistband. To hem the miniskirt, overlock stitch around the bottom opening. Fold the hemline and then top stitch the hem to complete this sky notched miniskirt.